Hey YouTube, this morning I went to McDonald's in London, Ohio. Awesome. We're looking at a sausage biscuit for $1. There was no tax on it, so it came out to $1. Here we go with the wonderful little bag from McDonald's, London, Ohio. They gave us a napkin. Obviously they gave us a receipt. And here we go with the wonderful sausage biscuit. Crack it open. Let's see, we'll get an initial look-see here. Not bad, same situation as always. Nice, fluffy, kind of the crust on the outside of the biscuit itself. Buttery. Ooh, that is butter. Then we have that beautiful sausage on the inside. Raise it up here a little bit. Now let's take a bite. Okay. Grab a napkin real quick. I will say this. Once again, the biscuit is buttery, but there's this dry taste to it, and the sausage itself is a bit dry, but that's to be expected. You know, it's part of the protections that they offer at fast food places. They typically overcook meat products, which is good. What would you'd really need something along the lines of perhaps milk or something like that to wash this down with. Customer service was great. And nothing wrong with a little McDonald's in the morning. Thanks, London, Ohio. You did a good job. And this is Eric, and I'll be back sometime later with another review.